So hello everyone. So welcome to weeks 8 through 10, actually, when we'll be discussing outbreak investigation. This is kind of fun content, I think, and probably what most of you think about when you think about epidemiology. I think it made sense to cover some of the other things that we've covered first, but certainly outbreak investigation is kind of the detective work of epidemiology. So we're going to start with the general steps and kind of to discuss that and to get you familiar with those steps, which are presented very well in Chapter 2 of your text. There are a lot of materials. There's some PowerPoint from when the Ebola investigation was really at its kind of peak in 2014. Some other information, some kind of classic resources about outbreak investigation, and as well as the text. And some of you have done the mock case, so you already will have some familiarity of working through those steps. So we'll talk kind of specifically about the steps. Next week, we'll follow that up and talk about an example, case example, and the investigation that ensued. And then the week 10, we'll kind of round those 3 weeks off with bioterrorism and the ways that we would deal with bioterrorism and preparedness. So, and week 10 is a quiz week, so we won't have an actual discussion. So what I'd kind of like to do is start off this week with kind of some basic outbreak investigation discussion, and then have a Zoom meeting next week and go through the exercise. Hopefully we could get more attendance. I know, as I said, this is strictly an optional thing, but it would be great if we could find a time that more of you could attend, because I think the discussion we had last time, even with two, was helpful to the students and to me, and I think we all enjoyed the face-to-face. So I'll put out some dates kind of midweek, this week and week 8 for week 9, and see if we can kind of work that through. And meanwhile, I'll look forward to seeing your discussion this coming week, and I will be getting those tests graded and back to you early in the week. So hope all is well for you, and I'll look forward to our discussion.